cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Recently, Apa, don't know why, maybe I'm just lazy. I so used to steaming food right now. So today I'm going to steam spare ribs. Yeah, I have some, about maybe 400-500 grams of beautiful spare rib here now. How do I normally buy spare rib? I buy from the wet market, and when I buy, I will tell them, can you give me the most tender one? Yeah, and usually it turns out to be really super tender. So ask the seller. Then I have actually rinsed this underwater for a few rounds. Yeah. Then I'm going to prepare some. This is fresh coriander roots. This is salted black bean. This is minced garlic, minced ginger, and minced chili padi. Yeah, chili padi optional lah. So by the way, you also want to mince the salted black bean. Then we will need some seasoning. You need some cornstarch, some oyster sauce, dark soya sauce, my cooking apa chicken stock powder, some white pepper, some premium light soya sauce, some fine salt, some fine sugar, and a bit of Sautéing wine. This dish very simple. Saute the ingredients here, and then marinate onto the spare rib and send it to steamer. That's it. 2 steps. So first of all, let's give it some vegetable oil, or you can use garlic oil or shallot oil also can, yeah? This oil later is going to use to flavor the ribs. Once you have heated up the oil, we can put in the garlic, ginger. Don't put in the chili padi too early lah. If not, it can be too spicy. Salted black bean and the coriander roots. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Ooh, immediately I already can smell the fragrance. Next thing you can see the garlic started to brown. I'm going to add in some Sautéing wine. Tune down the fire. Some filtered water. And start giving it the seasoning. Some fine salt, fine sugar, some premium light soya sauce, bit of white pepper, a bit of my cooking apa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any unveiled Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some oyster sauce, a bit of dark soya sauce. Raise the heat a bit. Make sure everything is nicely dissolved. Then this will be our marination. So here's my ribs. I'm pouring in the marination, the chili padi, and I'll give it a bit of cornstarch. This will help to make the meat more tender also, yeah. Then mix up everything nicely, and I shall move this over to a steamer plate. Let me tell you, this is super fragrant and very classic flavor. Make sure it's nicely spread out, yeah? Evenly spread out, so that the steaming process can be more evenly done. Okay, I'm sending this to the steamer. All right. Heat up your steamer, put in the ribs and steam it for approximately 15 minutes. Now it's coming to about 12-13 minutes. It says not enough water. Maybe I think it's probably already cooked. Let me see. Wow, very fragrant. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's already cooked. Good enough. No need to add water. Very slowly take out. Right, so here's the steamed spare ribs. Then I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion on top. And done. Here's our very simple steamed spare ribs at home. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Abba Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Abba YouTube channel.